Guess the country by its capital city. Paunahan challenge.
Number 1, San Salvador. Oh.
Sa country. Sa siya country ba?
5, 4,
Tuko ka
3,
country mo ko.
Saudi Arabia.
1, pipip.
Dili.
El Salvador.
Oh.
Sakto lang ang tato siya.
Number 2, London.
England.
Very good, Gil. Paris. Yup, yup. Very good. Berlin.
Look.
5,
Sige,
4,
Grace.
3, 2,
Belgium.
Guam.
Ireland.
pipip.
Ay.
Germany.
Number 5,
Peru.
Guatemala City.
Guatemala.
Very good, Gil.
Grabe mo.
Jakarta.
Indonesia.
Very good, Gil.
Indonesia?
Oh.
Tuwak ng gingon pa ba nila?
Rome.
Italy.
Very good.
Kasi man
Oh,
naka...
yan ang kadrong.
Kuala Lumpur.
Malaysia!
Very good again. Amsterdam.
Afghanistan. Netherlands.
Very good, bitch. Oslo.
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 Cebu.
5,
Greece. Oslo. Asa good.
Four.
Give me hint.
No.
Egypt.
3,
Paraguay.
1.
Uruguay.
Pakistan.
Pepe.
Comment down below.
Answer is
Comment your answer.
Ayo! Oslo!
number. Next. Tokyo. Okay. Next. Jerusalem.
Germany. Israel.
Wrong.
Argentina.
Wrong. 5,
Philippines.
Poland.
Peru.
3,
Pero Atira.
2,
Slay.
1.
Paraguay.
Palestine.